MS Baghel IT Solutions welcomes you.
In this video, you will learn how to export financial data in XML format and use it in a smart Excel template to generate ICAI compliant, structured and professional financial statements tailored to meet regulatory compliance needs. This feature is available for Indian companies and depends on user access rights. Let's walk you through the process step by step. Ensure that you fulfill the necessary prerequisites before using the add-on. You're using TallyPrime Release 6.0 and above. You have MS Excel installed on Windows 2016 or higher versions. You have full access rights to view balance sheet, profit and loss account, and trial balance. The company's country is set to India. Selected years, current year or previous year, are on or after the books beginning from date. Once all that's in place, you're ready to start. To begin with, you need to enable the Financial Statements for NCE add-on for your license. Go to the webpage for enabling add-ons in TallyPrime. Enter your Tally serial number and click Check Eligibility. An OTP will be sent to your license administrator's email ID. Enter the OTP and click Submit. You will see a success message once your serial number is linked. A confirmation email will also be sent to your registered email ID. Once done, update your TallyPrime license. Press F1 Help. Settings. License. Manage license. F5 Update. Enter your Tally.net ID and password in the Update License screen. Then press F1 Help. Tally Plugins. And you will see the add-on for Financial Statements for NCE listed. Now that you've enabled the add-on, let's move to the next step, extracting the template. The Excel template is downloaded as a zipped file in your TallyPrime folder. To extract the template, go to your TallyPrime installation folder. App Resources. Plugins. Right-click on the zipped file of the template and select Extract All. Select your preferred folder and complete the extraction. The template will be available in the same folder. If not, you can always download the latest version from the Tally Solutions website under Download Support Files, Financial Statements for NCE. Now that you've got the template ready, let's export the financial data from TallyPrime. You can export data from the balance sheet, profit and loss account, or trial balance reports. Open any of these reports and press Alt-T. Financial Statements for NCE. Next, press C to configure export settings. In the Export Data for field, select the current year, previous year, or both. Choose the current year and/or previous year as needed. Make sure the relevant companies are loaded in TallyPrime before selecting them here. In current year end date, update the date if required. Note that if the date is earlier than the company's books beginning from date, the exported data will be blank. Set previous year data in a separate company to Yes if needed. Then, from the list of companies, select the company name. Previous year end date is updated automatically. Press C to save the file in XML format. It will be saved by default as Financial Statements for NCE.xml. You can rename the file to keep things organized. With the XML file ready, let's move on to importing it into the Excel template. Open the extracted Excel template and go to the Basic Info sheet. Under Import Details, click Select XML file to import and choose the XML file you exported. Your Tally Prime data will now be imported into the relevant worksheets. Fields highlighted in yellow will require manual input. In the Entity Details section, the name, address, and PAN will be autofilled from Tally Prime. If PAN is not entered in Tally Prime, make sure to fill it manually here. Type of entity is autofilled if PAN is entered. Else, you will have to manually select it. You can select specific data for round-off amount to nearest, trade receivables and payables, and PPE and IA blocks depending on your disclosure requirements. Under Signatory Details, all fields need to be entered manually. To reset and clear the imported data and mappings, especially if you selected the wrong file, click Clear Data. You can also click Go to Index for quick navigation between sheets. To learn more, check out the README sheet inside the Excel template. Now that your data is in place, let's proceed to mapping it. The exported data for current year and/or previous year is now imported in these worksheets: Trial Balance, Stock Summary, Trade Payables, Trade Receivables. Let's begin with the TB/CY sheet for mapping the current year's trial balance. Here, positive values denote credit balances and negative values indicate debit balances. As you can see, columns under Data imported from Tally Prime will already be filled in. Now, start mapping the highlighted fields in yellow. Under the Bifurcate Balance section, you may need to split the values across current and non-current. By default, all values go under current. Enter non-current values manually where needed. Trade receivables split between less than 6 months and more than 6 months based on aging. Ensure the sign of the values, positive or negative, matches correctly with the imported data. Next, start mapping under Mapping Details. Start with Classification 3, move to Classification 4, and then Classification 5 if applicable. Once you complete mapping till Classification 4, the corresponding notes worksheets will automatically reflect those values. If you select Specify Nature in Classification 4, you can then define Classification 5 as well. Classification 5 lets you add custom descriptions based on your disclosure needs. After mapping Classification 5, click Update Notes with Classification 5 to apply these across the notes sections. Navigate to the balance sheet and check for any unmapped ledgers highlighted in amber, which may prevent it from tallying. As you can see, the mapping for all fields in the TB/CY worksheet is completed. If the current year data is already mapped and you want to reuse it, go to the TB/PY sheet. Click Copy Mapping from Current Year. The mapping will be applied instantly. Return to the balance sheet to ensure that all fields are mapped correctly. In this case, there are no unmapped fields. Once everything is mapped, go to the basic info sheet and click Save Mapping. This lets you reuse the same mapping when re-importing updated trial balance data. And don't forget, you can always refer to the README sheet for help. Now that mapping is done, let's print or export your statements. You can print or export a single sheet, all notes, or the entire template to Excel. Here's how. Print current sheet exports or previews just the current worksheet. Print all notes exports or previews all notes worksheets. When you click any print button, you'll be prompted to export to PDF or preview. Click Yes for PDF or No to preview the print version. In preview mode, click Print or press Ctrl P to print. Click Cancel to exit. While generating the PDF or preview, any rows with nil balances for both current year and previous year will be removed automatically and the row numbers will be adjusted accordingly. You can also export to MS Excel from the template. You'll get a confirmation message with the file name and location. Click OK to close it. The exported Excel file will be saved in your chosen folder. Note that the exported Excel file will not have any formulas or linked sheets. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly prepare financial statements for NCE using data from TallyPrime and the Smart Excel template, ensuring both compliance and clarity in financial reporting for your business. Thank you.